Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So today we're going to look at Sweet Sparkle. This is going to be my last box. I've actually cancelled the subscription for this. The economy's down the toilet at the moment, so I'm trying to take care of my money and save a little bit. So it's not because I'm disappointed so much with the products, although when I first started getting this I was really so pleased with it. However, the last 3 or 4 boxes I felt, is it really actually worth £20? It is a US subscription. That £20 does include delivery and everything else, taxes. So that is literally what you pay for. You do get, I think, 5 full-size products in there. They are sometimes branded. I don't claim to know every single brand in the whole wide world, but they do seem of good quality. And yeah, I do like the box. I'm just trying to cut back a little bit on finances. So just before I unbox this Sweet Sparkle box, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I almost forgot what I was going to say then. Please subscribe to my channel. It means the absolute world to me, and I do very much appreciate it. Okay, so let's get in the box. So there are our lovely products, including a face mask. So the face mask this is a bubble sheet mask. Made in Korea, exfoliates and cleanses. Happiness every day. Okay, give that a go. And then we have a brand by Rude. This is a Notorious Liquid Lip Colour. Colour shade is, I don't know, it's not on there. Let's see if it's inside. Radical Red. Favourite colour. I love, love, love red lipstick. So let's just give it a little swatch. Yeah, I like that. I wear that a lot. I do like it. I have so many red lipsticks, it's unreal. But okay. First item, definitely like it. Definitely will use it. Actually, it was the second item because the first item was the sheet mask. Next we have, what is this? This is called a chocolate eye mousse, and it's by the brand Metal. It's a chrome eye mousse. Okay, let's have a look. Box is pretty. And the colour, I'm trying to see if there's a colour on it. Oh, this is by J.Cat. Get a lot of products from that company. And inside. Okay, so it's a little thing like that. It's quite pretty, it's quite subtle. Yeah, it's nice. It's alright, I like that. I wear that. Definitely. That lipstick and that would look really nice together. So it's kind of a goldy colour. Nice. And then our next item we have, this is by Ibby Beauty. This is a deluxe eyeshadow. And I can't see the colour shade. Sorry, I haven't got my glasses with me. It comes in the box like this. That's packaging. And inside, oh, that's a little bit battered. Very battered. And you get a little mirror with it, so I do like that little touch. And that is the colour eyeshadow there. It's very pigmented. Very pigmented. Wow. Nice. That's alright. Although I don't know why we've got 2 eyeshadows in a single box. Then we have it's like an eye pencil. I can't see what brand that is by. It's very dark. You can't barely see it. It looks like a brown colour though. Yeah, very nice. Goes on creamy, goes on easily. I do like that. Very, very easily to put on. Look at that. It's good. It's like a cream almost. And our final item, we have a watermelon lip gloss. This is so pretty, look. Cute. Ooh. Smells lovely. I'm struggling to get it on. That's okay, I like that, it's cute. I don't know what those things are inside. Looks like squirts of paint. Right, so that's all we've got. So we've got the lip gloss, which is quite pretty. I will definitely use that. We've got the lipstick. I will definitely use that. I will use that. I'm not sure what I'd use that for. It's very white. Maybe it's like a highlighter or something. And then we have the eyeliner, and then we also have the sheet mask. Not a bad box, quite liked it actually. I'll be sad to see this one go, but there's no harm in me sort of revisiting it later down the road if I feel like I should subscribe to Sweet Sparkle. I'll leave the link and everything you need to know about it down below. Don't forget to leave your comments whether you think this box is worth 20 quid. And like my video please, and don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Till we speak again, please take care of yourselves and each other. Stay safe. Bye for now. Bye.